guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all of the new Revlon, their Ultra HD collection. And I actually wore these 2 days ago to an event, and let me tell you, it stayed on all night. So I was eating, I was drinking, I went out after, and I had no problems. My biggest pet peeve when looking for lipsticks is when they get so dried out that they kind of crumble and they get those little white specks all on your lips and makes you look like you just got done eating something, and it makes you look kind of like a little bit dirty. I don't know. That's just like my thing that I really hate. One thing I will say about these, they did not do that. When I put them on, they felt very creamy. They dried really fast, and it didn't feel like I really had anything on my lips. They weren't sticky. They didn't have that like tacky feeling, so they had such a comfortable wear. And again, I forgot that I was even wearing lipstick a lot because I went to reapply, and then I look and I'm like, oh shoot, this is still on my lips. It looks amazing. So I was really happy with the quality. So I'm going to swatch them for you. I'm going to show you all kind of what they look like. So starting up, I'm going to start with the nudes. There's two new nude colors. So starting up, there is two new nudes, and the one that I wore all weekend, I actually went for the deeper nude just because I'm a little bit tanner than I typically am. Normally when I'm really pale in the wintertime, this wouldn't look good on me. It would be a little bit too dark, but it ended up being perfect. This one is called Date Night. So here is Date Night. Again, this is like the deeper, darker nude. And I really like it. It's very pretty. It almost has like a gloss finish to it. It's really shiny, dries really creamy. There's no taste to it. There's no crazy smell to it, which I love. I hate when lipsticks smell like straight up alcohol or fragrancy and nasty. So again, it's a really comfortable wear. It's very pretty, very everyday. Then next up, we have Birthday Suit, which is another really pretty nude. It's just a little bit pinkier than the other one. I really like this. I actually wore them together as well, where I would do the first one, the darker shade, and then put the light shade over it just to kind of give it a little bit of a definition, make my lips look a little bit more plump. They're both really perfect nudes. Again, I really like the color. Next up, I'm going to move to the corally red shades, which you guys know if you've been following me forever. I love corals. Corals are my ultimate go-to colors. I don't care what time of year it is. I think they're beautiful, especially if you have brown eyes or a deeper, darker complexion. I'm super into it. So I'm going to start off with the color, the lightest one from the corally, and it's almost got a peach undertone, I guess, and it is called Power Lip. This color is so vibrant, so pigmented, so shiny, beautiful. I love like a deep, bright, bold color on the lips without like any other really makeup on. It just makes your skin look alive. I think it makes you look glowy and pretty and youthful, and I just love corals. This color makes me feel like I'm in Jamaica or somewhere tropical. It's just so beautiful. Next up, we have She's on Fire. So pretty. So this is like another coral, but it has more red into it. This is so beautiful. This is another good, just nice glowy look that you could do. And next up, we have Cherry on Top, which is just a nice red, but it looks like it's just a little bit darker, and it looks like there's a little bit of pink still to it. So here's the Cherry on Top. I love this little tip guy of the lipstick. It makes it really easy to apply. It's kind of boop. It's like diffused at the end. Is that the right word? There's like an angle to it, so it just kind of makes it really easy. But again, I love this. Another thing with a lot of lipstick collections, I feel like they always skip over the corally color. So I like that they really have those three type of shades in there. I feel like lots of people love them, but they get forgotten about and left behind, which is so sad because they're just so incredible on, I feel like, every skin color. So I'm really happy that they added those in the collection. I'm trying to save the darker colors for the end. That way you can get the true lip color before my lips get like stained and crazy. Next up, we have this pink color, and this is called Fearless Who. I don't know how this is going to look on me because I feel like these pinky colors, like not baby doll pink, but like a little darker, sometimes make me look a little nuts, but I'm going to give it a go. It's very pretty. I feel like I look horrible in it, to be honest. This is a very pretty pink. I feel like it would look awesome on blondes or like lighter skin girls. I feel like this looks not so good on me. I don't think I pull off pinks that great. Maybe I'm hard on myself, I don't know. But I feel like I looked stupid in it. But the shade is really pretty. Then next up, we have a hotter pink. And this is called This is called Rule the World. Here it is. There's almost like a little bit of a purple, like the tiniest purple, which I'm assuming which is what makes it so bright. underneath. I like this color much better than the other pink. I think this pink, if you have darker skin, darker hair, would probably look much better on you. So yeah, I'm into it. I feel like this is like a fun color. It's definitely more for me. I would wear it during springtime, but it's really, really pretty. Here's where we're going to start getting into the deeper colors. I'm going to pop one. This one is more of a purple color, and it's called Violet Frenzy. One thing I'll say about these two is they kind of go on like a gloss, so it's really cool. What I like to do a lot, it's been like my new thing, is I like to use like a glossy type of lipsticks almost as an eyeliner, like to wing out my eyes, and then I'll stick a little glitter on top of it, or a brighter purple, or say this is like blue, I'll do like a bright blue shadow just to really get a lot of payoff. So if you're using a neon color, and you know, you see the girls on Instagram, whatever, a lot of time what you can do to really get that huge neon payoff is you could put like the purple on your eyes, or the yellow, or whatever, like a lipstick, and then add on top of that purple shimmery bright shade that you want, because sometimes it'll stick and it'll stay on your skin for hours, for much longer, as opposed to just laying dry shadow on like a dry eye. So that's like another little trick. So this would be perfect for it, because it doesn't dry right away, and it has a little bit of that gloss feeling, like texture type of to it, so it'll really stick to that shadow that you lay on your eyes, if that's something you're thinking about doing too. This one in the pink area is called Berry Blessed. Still a pretty color, not my jam. I feel like it'll look a lot better on other people. It's just doesn't do it for me, but it's very pretty. We have another purple, and this is called Game On. A little bit definitely goes a long way with these colors too. So I did one swipe, and then I just used the rest with my finger because I didn't want to stain my whole face, but it's still very pretty. It's like a lilac. Then last up, we have this Brownie Maroony shade, and it's called So Shady. Oh yeah, this is like the color that looks great on everybody. It's a must-have. That's the whole collection. They just released their brand new, all new, vibrant new shades, which I'm super excited about. The corals, I feel like that's why I love this collection so much. They didn't leave my babies out. I love this deep dark color right here, and I love, love, love the nudes. Nudes for me, and I feel like everyone has this issue with nudes, is finding the right nude, because it can really just either wash your face out and make you look like you have no lips, or it could be too dark, or it could be too on the mauvey side, or it could be too on the pinky side. I love these nudes. I feel like they're suitable for every skin tone. The dark one and then the lighter one, and even adding them together looks really, really good. I like that they don't wash my lips out. Again, I love the formula, the texture. Like, you guys know I'm a gloss girl. I love glossy lipsticks, but I hate when they're like chunky, or they feel sticky, or they're kind of irritating, or they clump up and ball up. I love, love, love the formula. It's very, very comfortable. It's high shine. I hope you like this video. Let me know if you guys try these out, and I'll see you soon.